guys! It's me, KitKat, and for today's video, sasagutin ko yung mga questions ninyo. Random. So, the first one is, single ka? Yes, single pa ako. Naranasan mo na ba magloko? Hindi naman po siya totally na nagloko, which is yun lang po yung hinahatnan niya. Kasi, like, hindi ka nag-update ng 2 to 3 days because you're busy. Kasalanan ko din naman yun. Pero hindi naman po totally na nagloko. Ginhost ka na? Ilang beses? Hindi ko mabilang. Can you describe yourself? Mabait ako kapag mabait ang tao. Kaya mo bang i-let go ang taong wala ng feelings for you? Syempre, aanhin mo pa ba yung mga taong wala naman ng feelings sa'yo? It is better that you were friends. Insecurities. Wala po akong insecurities kasi masaya ako kung sino at kung ano po ako. Ugali mo na ayaw mo. Madaling mainis? If you will given a chance, babalik ka sa past or pupunta ka sa future? Doon po tayo sa future. Dogs or cats? Cats. Nagkakagusto ka na ba sa kaibigan mo? No. Mahilig ka sa cups? No. Favorite singer? Hindi po ako mahilig sa kanta. Favorite color? Sky blue po. Gusto mong palitan ang name mo? No, hindi po. Because my mom is Catherine and my name is Kathleen. Color that represent you as a person? Sky blue. Mahilig kumanta? No. Marunong sumayaw? No. Nagluluto ka ba? Yes. Pangilan ka sa magkakapatid? 4 po. For you, what is the meaning of love? It's not all about the money. It's not all about the money. It's all about how you care each other. It's all about kung paano kayo magmahalan at kung paano kayo magtulungan as of now and in the future. May time ba na kinumpara ka? Once, meron yata. Di ko lang maalala. iOS or Android? Android. May ka-chat ka ba ngayon? Meron po. Hindi na po totally na everyday naka-chat if kapag naaalala lang po niya ako, tsaka lang po siya nag-chat. Kasi nga, it's my mistake din naman kung ano yung nagawa ko last December. And hoping that we're okay this year. Yeah. When's the last time you had a deep talk with your parents? Last year pa po. Do you think someone hates you? Yes po, marami po sila. Best pet for you? Cat po. Best year of your life? 2021 po because that year is my first endorsement. Favorite day of the week? Sunday po, going church. Most annoying in your life? Angel, Renz, and Christian. Very annoying. Favorite subject? English. Syempre. Who's the teacher that your friends? Kaibigan? Like that. Ma'am Edlin and Ma'am Rhea. Relationship status. Same question with favorite color last. What do you regret the most? Yung magtiwala sa mga taong hindi naman na dapat pang pinagkatiwalaan pa. Who was the last person you cried in front of? Wala po. Kasi hindi po ako yung taong iiyak sa harap upang para makita nilang magmakaawa. Hindi naman po sa pagmamakaawa, pero syempre, when you cry, parang nagmamakaawa ka na. Kaya, for me, I don't want to cry in front of a lot of people kahit isa lang siya. No. Kasi ayaw kong nakikitang nasasaktan ako and ayaw kong nakikitang umiiyak ako. Do you give out second chances too easily? No. Nakadepende po sa situation, sa atraso, and nakadepende rin po sa tao. Is it easier to forgive or forget? No. That one is not easy. Like, parang ang hirap mong bigyan ng second chance yung mga taong hindi naman deserving. And what was your last dream about? Hindi ko maalala. Ano pa ba? What are you craving right now? Ano po? Manga. Do you have piercings? How many? Only 2 po. Kabilahan lang. What are your plans for this weekend? Ano po, makapasa sa midterm, so I need to pass all my requirements in school. Ano pa ba? Yung mga questions. Would you go back in time if you were given the chance? No, never. I do not want to go back in past. How many pets? Yeah, dog and cats. Do you miss someone? Super, yeah. Pero secret lang muna. Do you like someone? Yeah, secretly. What did you last eat? Ano po? Yung crackers po. Are you insecure? No. Do you have a good relationship with your parents? Yeah, I have 100%. If you given a chance to commit, who and why? I do not know. Wala pa. And that's it. Marami pa po, pero for the next video na lang po sa lagot or sagot. And hope you enjoyed this video and see you to my next video. Salamat po. God bless us all.